Oh, hey, hi. Just got back from the great outdoors. So much animals and plants to see. Don't you just love the outdoors and being outside? Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we do the alphabet animal style? Come on, let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, alligator, B, bat, C, cat, D, dog, E, elephant, F, fish, G, giraffe, H, hamster, I, iguana, J, jaguar, K, kangaroo, L, lion, M, monkey, N, newt, O, owl, P, penguin, Q, whale, R, rabbit, S, snake, T, tiger, U, uriel, V, vulture, W, walrus, X, zingare, Y, yak, Z, zebra. Next, I want you sing with me from A, B, C to X, Y, Z. Learning the alphabet with a honeybee. Animal alphabet is so easy. That was great. Good job. See you next time.